That's a marlin, guys.
Does your heart pound with excitement at the thought of landing a full-grown marlin? Do you yearn to feel the mighty tug at the end of your fishing line? Do these scenes make your adrenaline surge? Well, if so, then hold on to your rods and reels, because we have something for you. The amazing Mar Lasso. What's so amazing about it? Well, for one thing, it has no hook. That's right, no hook. Discovered virtually by accident by a Mexican fisherman, this enticing lure actually lassos the marlin by his bill, making this an ideal lure for tag and release sport fishing. Of course, it works just as well for those who wish to keep a souvenir of their fishing trip. How does it work? It's simple. The lure resembles a squid, a favorite snack of the marlin. When the marlin approaches the lure, the thin, strong fibers of the Mar Lasso wrap around the coarse bill of the marlin. Now you've got him. No hooks, no blood. It's a painless way to land the big one. Once you bring him in, just shave the bill, taking care to remove all of the fibers, and release the marlin. Or keep him if you're feeling hungry. Of course, the best place to try the amazing Mar Lasso is in the warm blue waters of Puerto Escondido at Bad Billy's Beach Club.
Come on down, I'll get you some big ones.
Bad Billy's is a fully equipped luxury resort catering to the active, fun-loving adventurer. Of course, families are always welcome, with plenty of fun activities for the young and the young at heart. Located just hours south of Acapulco, Puerto Escondido is a small, quiet Mexican village, unspoiled by the commercialism and development of the larger, more popular resort towns. Quietly nestled at the base of lush green mountains, the Bay of Puerto Escondido provides surf conditions that are rated third best in the world. Long known only to a few surfers, Bad Billy's Beach Club has made this sportsman's paradise accessible and comfortable to all, without spoiling the natural beauty of the surrounding area. The luxury accommodations of Bad Billy's Beach Club Resort should satisfy even the most demanding traveler, and the activities and equipment provided by Bad Billy's will please everyone, young and old. Right now, Bad Billy's is offering you a rare opportunity to travel to a new land, enjoy the spectacular scenery, explore a unique culture, lavish in the warm, tropical sun, and play to your heart's content at an incredible savings. To find out how you can enjoy up to 10 years of membership in an exclusive beach resort, call FM Fun Tours Incorporated at 1-800-484-1004, extension 7777. But hurry, as this is a limited offer and spaces will go quickly. So call now to reserve your place in the sun.